Okay, I included the examples in the notes, but we've done this before. Find the inverse of the given function, and we're going to verify that it's true. The thing that we do is we switch the x and the y, and we solve for y. Alright, don't want that 1/3 over there, so I'm going to move it over. X take away 1/3 is equal to 5y. Let me switch that around. 5y is equal to x minus 1/3. And then I'm going to divide by 5, but instead of saying this, which would work, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal because I have a fraction over there, and I think this is going to make more sense. So I'm going to get y, which is what I wanted, all alone, y. And I'm going to say 1/5 x, and then negative 1 over 15. And if you multiply by the reciprocal, it helps you know what you're going to do. If you had 1/3 and then you said, I'm dividing by 5, you'd say, well, I'm not sure what I should do there. The reciprocal helps you avoid that situation. Not that you couldn't do that, but... okay, now I'm going to verify that I have the inverse function. This is what I was looking for, so let me box it. That is my inverse function. And okay, here we go. So I say y is equal to 5, and then I plug this in, the new function. 1/5 x minus 1/15, 1/15, and then plus 3. 1 over 3, sorry, 1 over 3. So I'm up here for this x, and instead of saying x, I'm saying this. Okay? And it should get me x. That's what it should do. So let's see, I'll say 5 times 1/5 is just 1, so I get x. 5 times negative 1 over 15 is, the 5 and the 15 cancel, and I get 1 over 3. And I have plus 1/3, and so it equals just x. Okay, that's good. That's what it's supposed to do. And then over here, let's see, let's do the same thing over here. We will say y is equal to 1/5 times x, but what's my x going to be? Now my x is going to be that. So it's 5x plus 1/3. And then I come back down here and I subtract my 1 over 15. Okay, so again, instead of this x right here, I'm plugging in the original formula. Okay, this is how I verify. And let's see what we get. We say 1/5 times 5 is 1, so I just get x. 1/5 times 1/3 is 1 over 15. I'm subtracting 1 over 15 also, so it's equal to x. And that checks out as well. So it is, they are inverses of each other because when you use them on each other, they give x. All right.